How to check carry-on rules on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You may bring one carry-on bag and one personal item on board. And for a carry-on bag, goes in the overhead bin, which is the top bin, and size limit is 24 length and 16-inch width. Also 10-inch height. Also, there can be wheels, handles, and any attachments count toward these dimensions. Example, roller bag, small suitcase. And this is all you need to know about carry-on rules on Southwest Airlines. This is how to check carry-on rules on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.